All right, who's who?
Hi, I'm RM. I'm kind of like a spokesperson and the leader for this group.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah, huh?
Hi, I'm V.
Good to see you again. I'm your home, you're my home, I'm J-Home. What's up?
What was it like to go back and to have this kind of success and go back to the Billboard Awards?
Yeah, we were always dreamed about performing at the BBMAs.
Yeah.
It was dream come true. It was really special. It was really fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
And do you have anything to say to your fans?
Ami, I love you!
Is anyone here dating?
Well,
Or do you have a girlfriend?
oh. I want to tell you, like, thanks to you, like, every Koreans know what the word hookup means now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because last time you asked the question.
I see.
Yes.
And I also want to say...
We got to do an epic wave. 1, 2, 3.
I love it.
BTS Army, you're super stoked.
Sing the song that best represents your personality or your favorite song.
In my blood.
He's not in charge of saying that.
Hear me. It's like the words are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It's in my blood.
Which band member takes longest to get ready?
Definitely, yeah.
He just volunteers himself.
Say sorry to us.
What takes the longest?
I don't know, but I'm so sorry.
We don't know what he's doing.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you nervous? Are you excited?
Now my heart shake.
Yep. What has it been like this year after winning that award?
Our fans
Come on.
proud us and many nicknames we have.
Oh yeah.
Worldwide artist and worldwide handsome. Yeah. And I make new nickname.
Oh.
Okay.
Worldwide cutie guy.
Oh. If you can go back to when you first debuted, what would you tell yourself? Would you change anything? 만약 데뷔 시절로 돌아간다면 자신한테 무슨 조언을 해줄 건지 만약 다르게 해보신 게 있으신가요?
Hey Jimmy, you nice. Keep going.
Study English hard.
English, yeah.
What is one thing each of you love about yourself?
Passion.
Fashion?
Fashion.
Fashion? Passion?
My fashion.
Fashion.
I like my passion.
I like Poppy.
And Jimin?
My eye.
My handsome face.
I love my life.
What are each of your favorite songs of Love Yourself?
Hey Poppy,
What's your favorite track?
What's your favorite song?
저는 전하지 못한 진실.
Yeah, 정말 못생긴 진. Yeah.
How do you guys decide on the theme for your album? Oh, I'm sorry, Puppy. Album and music videos.
With Mr. Bang talk about.
BTS with the
Hi BTS.
BTS, the puppies.
Don't fight.
They're showing their territories by peeing. That's what we call puppies. Puppies.
You know, is it difficult to have a private life?
When I go tour, my fans, oh, worldwide handsome. Yeah.
Yeah. Enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm worldwide handsome. Yeah, hello.
Favorite American meal?
I love hamburger and Sprite.
Oh, Sprite. Yeah.
Now I want you to tell the person next to you your favorite feature about them. I love your glasses.
Oh.
I love my.
Bye.
I love your ear.
Ear. Yeah. I love your sexy brain.
Hey, I like his eyebrows.
Eyebrow?
Yep. 눈썹. Eyebrow.
Nice.
I love your elbow.
Worldwide funny guy.
I love your mind.
Fine.
Oh.
You said physical, but okay.
Yeah. I love your earring.
Individually, give us your best, most extra red carpet pose.
Perfect.
It's lit.
Perfect. All right, all right. Ooh.
When it's not like that, it's like this. Woo! There it is.
No, we won't do that.
What's your favorite emoji to use when you're texting?
Oh, emoji.
For me, I like the vomiting one. You know what? The green face. That's all I like. I don't know why, but
When do
I
you
love
use
it.
that? What do you use that to express?
I like use it every time. I'm hungry, like. Oh, I'm full, like.
I like just smile. I like this.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Hand.
The waving hand?
Bye. Hi.
Hi, bye.
I like Purple Love.
Oh, yeah.
Purple
That's
Love.
cute.
I want to play a quick game with you guys. Is that okay?
Bruno Mars, come on.
Justin Timberlake.
Sexy bag. Yeah.
Beyonce.
Beyonce.
I'm a single. I'm a single.
Put your